Hello.
How you doing, man?
I'm good.
Nice to meet you.
Hikmatullah. Well, nice to meet you. So my car is no problem. I'm parking here.
Yeah, should be fine.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
It's only if you go on those streets on the side there.
Okay.
I'm in this building. Sorry, I'll show you where it is.
Okay.
Hey, you can wear shoes.
You sure?
So we have these door frames. And they've kind of all gotten rotten. See what I mean? Do you guys do that kind of thing?
You wanna fix back the molding
Yeah, maybe.
or replace?
Whatever you think's better. I think probably replacing it, probably, right? This is broke.
Yeah.
I don't think there's no fixing this stuff.
Yeah. That door is good, right?
It doesn't close very well.
Oh. What about this? This one also?
Yeah, both of them, if that works. They're both kind of broken.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, Paul, I can do that.
Okay.
Yeah, this one too also.
Yeah, I think they're just, I don't know, they're putting in really weird.
Okay. $350
Yeah, it works.
plus material.
Yeah.
I will do both.
Do you know what material to get and all that? You're good with that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool.
I know where I can. Home Depot.
Okay, perfect. Okay, I
Paint-
can paint it too.
Paint yourself, right?
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay.
I can figure that out. That's the one thing I can do.
Okay. Gotcha. Thank you.
Okay, you can do it today?
Yes. Yeah, any payment. No problem.
That works for me.
Okay, I will go to Home Depot and I'll bring right now.
Yeah, no rush. Let me know whatever you need.
Okay.
I'll just be down on the middle floor. So if you want to come up,
Okay. 8.5 ya. 2.5. Xullas do'stlar, eshikni chetidagi moldingini olgani ketyapman magazinga, ishni kelishdim. Bu ishni $350 kelishdim. Xudo xolasa magazinda o'zida tayyor razmerga kesib kelaman va xotirgani kelaman xolos bekka do'stlar. Tayyor qilib kelaman o'shada. Magazindan olib kelib oldim narsalarni ham. They're all cut, see? The same size.
They make it easy for you.
Oh. Ana eng tepa qavat. Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Xullas do'stlar, qiladigan ishimni tushuntirib o'tsam sizlarga. No, not for you. For my followers.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you. Xullas do'stlar, qiladigan ishimni tushuntirib o'tsam sizlarga. Mana shu olib kelgan narsam. Voy, charchab ketdim-ay. Trenirovka qilamiz shekilli endi. Oson emas. Videolarda osonga o'xshab ko'rinaveradi. Oson deb beraman men ham. Lekin aslida oson emas. Oddiy ishga o'xshab ko'rinishi mumkin. Mashaqqati bor. Xullas do'stlar, mana shu moldingni almashtirishim kerak. Ikkita eshiknikini, keyin buni yaxshi ochilib yopilmayapti. Shuni to'g'rilab berishim kerak. Videoni kuzatib boringlar do'stlar. Men ishni moldingni olib tashlashdan boshlayman. Yangisini o'rnatib olgandan keyin eshikni ta'mirlayman. Keyingi ishga, xudo xolasa. Do'stlar, mana yechib oldim. Eskisini ko'ryapsizlarmi? Hozir mana birinchisini qo'yib tekshirib oldim. Va shu ideal razmerda kesib keldim. Tayyor magazinda buni yangini. Ko'ringlar, hammasini kesib kelganman. Xullas, buni kilida yopishtirib olib turib, pistoletda uraman. Keyin zamaska qilib qo'yaman mana choklarini. Takda. Do'stlar, ko'ringlarchi, ishni ham tugatib oldim. hammasi ideal darajada inshaalloh bitirib berdim. Chaklarini ko'ringlar, eshikni zazoriga e'tibor berib qo'yasizlar, bir xil. Hozir ochilib yopilishlarini ham ko'rsataman. Qaranglar, bitta barmoqda o'zida. Zo'r, bittadan lak endi do'stlar. Bunisini ko'ringlar. Hashi zo'r. Hozir uyda egasini chaqirib topshirib olamiz. Excuse me. Good. All done, Paul.
Sorry?
You can see it all done.
Oh, perfect. Nice. Didn't take too long.
Hozir mana chaqirib chiqdim uyda egasini, hozir ko'rsatamiz. What about the trash? Take it off or?
Yeah, I can take it down. Or
You
whatever
sure?
wanna do. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I replaced the
Much
molding,
nicer, yeah.
and you can see the.
And the door actually works. That's the first time since I lived here. Great. Okay.
Is it good?
Yeah, it works for me. Yeah, it's great.
Thank you. Endi egasiga yoqdi. Misrda o'zi hal qilar ekan. Xullas, magazinda rasxotlar $350 plus.
How much was the thing?
163. 350 plus 163. 57. I got it.
There we go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Perfect. Yeah.
Really appreciate it. In your hand me stuff. Okay.
All right, yeah.
Have a good one.
Thanks again
Bye
for your
bye.
help.
Thank you too. Bye bye. Paul. Mana shunaqa qilib yuribman-da ishlab do'stlar, Amerikasida. Hammaga rahmat, sog' bo'linglar.